So today we are in Brighton in this beautiful home, and in this video I'm going to be talking you through this outdoor shelter that we've just completed with the kitchen inside it. So this project started with the customer had sent me some photos of this space that they had here. I think there was a planter that went along there, and they had this empty space to the side of their house here, and he wanted to make better use of it, and he wanted to have somewhere where he could cook, but also somewhere that he could shut down for the winter so it would be completely protected. So we went back and forth with some ideas and we designed this shelter. Now we have actually built another shelter very similar to this, which had bifold doors on it, but this one the customer wanted an electric roller door on there. So these are the same sort of doors that you get on garages and things like that. So for the construction of this shelter, we've used Accoya. It's a timber, very, very good for outside. And so we've got 6x4 posts on the front. We've got 4x4 posts on the back, 4x4 posts here. It's all been mortised and tenoned together and then painted in an anthracite color. For the cladding, we've used cedar. Now cedar and anthracite, they marry together so well. They really, really complement each other. And so you can see also that we've used the same color for the units. So just talking about the shelter, you've got the door that comes down there, which is anthracite as well. That matches the timbers. We've also built these two cedar shelves in there as well. So that's going to be really useful for keeping rubs and just plants and herbs, things like that, dressing the kitchen. Up underneath as well, there is also an LED strip light, which is controlled via remote as well. The roller door is also controlled via remote, but it also has this manual override here. So if the batteries go, if there was a power cut or anything like that, you can turn that key and you can do it manually. This is one of our own range of units. We call these the AOS range of units, which is a really original idea. But these units we make to any size, any shape, any color. We can hold any appliance in there. So it's really, really versatile. So in this case, we've made these units, we've sprayed them the anthracite color to match the shelter. But you see we've got the finger rails here. So we always generally make them handleless. We can make them with handles if you wanted it, but we make them handleless, and we've used cedar for the finger rail underneath there. You see, so then the cedar matches the shelter. So all of the fixings, the hinges are all Blum. They're really high-end hinges and fixings. Everything is soft close. So let's start down this end here. This is the Beefeater 1600 series 3-burner. So obviously this is a 3-burner barbecue. It's got cast iron grills inside there. It's a gas grill. Just great, really convenient midweek sausages, burgers, chicken kebabs, whatever like that. You know, turn it on and you're ready to go. Underneath there, we've got what we call an undergrill unit. So this is a double cupboard that holds the barbecue, and you've got plenty of storage underneath there for any accessories or covers or anything like that. To the left of that, you've got the tank. The barbecue is gas and the pizza oven on the end is gas. We've connected those gas hoses behind, stuck a Y connection on the back, and then put one regulator on there. So you only ever need one tank, but both appliances run off the same one. For the worktops on here, we have gone for a 20mm dark granite. This is a polished granite. I personally prefer polished granite. I think the matte ones tend to attract dust a little more. I don't know if that's a thing or if that's just me, but I do prefer the polished. I think it looks better as well. You can see that we put a big splashback behind here to protect the cedar, and we've got splashbacks running all the way along and around on both ends. So this is the Monolith Classic Pro Series 2. This is a Kamado oven, so it's a ceramic egg. This is brilliant for slow cooking things. It runs on charcoal. It's good for slow cooking things, briskets, pulled pork, ribs, lamb. You can also add pieces of wood, flavored wood, to smoke it, give it that amazing flavor. I'm a huge fan of these. You can direct cook over the fire with them as well. This sits on what we call a Kamado unit, and underneath there is a huge pan drawer. So this is about 700mm wide. So you've got a big drawer there to keep all your accessories in. Lots of accessories that come with that. Coming along to the end here, we've simply got a double cupboard. That's about 1200mm wide for storing all of your accessories and just general storage. Above here, this is the Gozney Arc XL. So this is quite a new oven for Gozney. It runs on gas only. There's an XL version and just a normal version. It's huge. I think you can cook a 14-inch pizza in there. It takes 10-15 minutes to get up to heat and makes restaurant quality pizzas. It really is a good bit of kit, and it's at a good price point as well. It's not as expensive as some of the bigger ones. So there you go. This kitchen has got everything that you need for cooking outside. You know, it's got convenience, it's got the slow cooking and the charcoal, and it's got the pizza oven as well. And to top it off, it's undercover all of the time, and you can just shut it down for winter. It stops leaves getting in there, it stops rain getting in there. So it really is the perfect setup. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see another one like this, I'll leave a link up there. We try and post these once a week, and it's to give you some inspiration if you're looking for an outdoor kitchen or you're just looking for some ideas. We also have Facebook and we have Instagram, and we try and post on there a few times a week. So you can follow us on there if you want to see what we're currently up to. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.